Ever imagine how lighting impacts us and our lives? Good lighting enhances clarity, enriches experiences, improves aesthetic appeal, and makes us feel good. We are Lightbook International. Founded in 2012, Lightbook International is a fast-growing LED lighting solutions company that illuminates professional and residential spaces with the right solutions tailored to customer needs. Our energy-efficient, long service life and low-maintenance products cater to a myriad of industries including retail, hospitality, commercial, and industrial sectors. Good light plays a very crucial role in the retail sector. Be it fashion retail store interiors, luxury goods visual merchandising, or food retail decor, the right lights can create the perfect atmosphere for a captivating customer experience. Our vast retail LED range consists of LED downlights, LED track lights, pendant lights, adjustable wall washer lights, trunking lights, and our new range of gearless lighting solutions. Aero Engine Plus that can be stylized for design-savvy retail industries. Custom designs lighting in the hospitality industry can be a differentiating factor from competitors. Lightbook's Glare-free Downlights exude a warm and radiant feel, meant to enhance the experience of guests. Commercial projects can benefit from daylight ambience that shows scale and openness. Our range of products include 2x2 panel lights, linears, diffused downlights, and suspended fixtures for a sophisticated and inviting vibe. When we speak of industrial lighting, the first thing we think about is well-lit spaces to ensure worker safety. We have an extensive range of high bays and pendant lighting solutions promoting safety in a future-driven industrial sector. Our team of engineers, designers, light specialists, assembly and testing personnel, as well as support and service staff is our core strength. Lightbook International aims to be a lighting leader, committed to provide industry-leading products, adhering to the highest standards and hassle-free client experiences. Our clients know us for designing customized lighting solutions, innovative products with excellent color rendition, pan-India on-site installation and support services. Feel the light with us.